Right guys, so we've just arrived at the holiday village in Costa. This is the entrance. So this is inside guys when you just come through the entrance. They recently had a renovation, so it's a little different. This is the reception area. And you've got a little lounge just there. So yeah. And this is the lift guys, we're actually in the elevator right now, as you can see. And this is the lift, you can see. Beautiful lift.
This is our room. We have a kitchen. And then this is the bathroom. Here's our room. Massive wardrobe. Look at the view. We'll go up there in a minute. Literally got a dining table, little living room. Nice painting. More view. Oh wow. That's really nice. What else? There's some cupboards there and that's it. Balcony is so big.
Yeah, this is the other side of the hotel, the noisy side, so you can see you got the stream there, the boat. You got all the shops and all this, you wouldn't want your room over here. And then again, the elevator. Hey guys, yeah, there's always something new going on in the main area of the hotel. Today it looks like there's a wine tasting event. So probably gonna be some wine tasting and some music. There's the shop. Hola. Shop again. So yeah, that's what's up. Right guys, so in the hotel, out in the main area, just as you come through reception, got a lovely shop here. You can get everything in there. Sun cream, drinks, souvenirs, gifts, the works. Quite a good shop. They've also got creams and oils, ointments, all sorts of stuff. Big shop, really got a lot of stuff in there. So yeah.
This is an outside bit where I think they do shows and stuff, and there's some climbing thing there. Yeah, and there's some chairs, and over there's the pool and the playground for the kids. The view is so nice. It's windy today though.
Is that what you're going to say?
We're on our way to the other side of the hotel, the water park bit. You have to walk around this thing and then cross the bridge. Oh, there's children running. Up the bridge we go. This is the outside. They do little tattoos and hair braiding over there. And there's like a bar here. Yeah, this is when you first come in. The hotel is just there and the beach is just there. This is the women's changing room. Cute little plant. And a bunch of showers. Yeah, that's about it.
This is a restaurant, guys, at the hotel in the Benalmádena area. Got so much stuff here. Lots of stuff here. Do a little walk around. Chips, nuggets, all of that. We've got a bit of a hot grill over there, and pick it up.